How to open or create BMO Harris Bank online banking account. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. Open preferred browser on your device. Click search bar and type in bmo.harris login. Now you will land on this first result section where you need to click on the first link. Now this will take you to the official interface of BMO Harris Bank online account. So click on sign in button at top right corner of your screen. And here you need to choose sign in to BMO Digital Banking if you already have an account. In order to create account, click register now and wait until the another page loads. Now you have successfully reached on the set up your online account section where you need to enter your details to set up your account. First, enter your account type, the account number. If you wish to choose social security number, you need to enter the number, or you can even choose the taxpayer identification or the identification number and enter the number. So you need to click on continue button once you have entered all the information here and then follow the on-screen prompts. With that, you can easily set up your online banking account on BMO Harris online account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.